Ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000-bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry, and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.
the Kwame Nkrumah.
To the 5th edition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz and the first contest of the second day in the Northern Regional Qualifiers. This quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with Ghana Education Service and DEXT Technologies. We would want to appreciate our Vice Chancellor, Professor Mrs. Rita Akosua-Dixon, for her continuous support. We also recognize and appreciate the leadership of the Chair of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz Board, Professor Kwesi Preku, and all the board members. We say, Ayiko. Let me use this opportunity to salute the heads of the various schools competing in this year's contest. I also applaud the dedicated teachers who have spent a chunk of their time preparing the contestants for this contest. I would want to salute the gallant students who are proudly representing their schools in this competition. Let me use this opportunity to appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors who have come on board and are supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. The 2024 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by KNUST E-Learning Center. For all your media and video coverages, we are grateful. At KNUST E-Learning, we say just a click. Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. Thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. Your venues provided are well appreciated. At KNUST Ideal, we say lifelong learning, an essential key for development. KNUST University Information Technology Services, UITS. Thank you very much for providing us with the needed bandwidth for the quiz. Your high-speed internet is deeply appreciated. DEXT Technologies. As DEXT Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality. And you always make it very exciting and hands-on. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited. A heartfelt thank you for the juicy prizes for this year's competition. Your generous contributions have been a cornerstone of our success. Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, GNPC, impacting lives. The Ghana Standards Authority, thank you for your support in this year's competition. Your generous contribution is deeply appreciated. Steady X, thank you for coming on board. Pizza Man, Chicken Man. We look forward to wonderful meal packages. At Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we say great food lives here. Fonjo Images. At Fonjo Images, we keep your memories alive. To our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you for telecasting this program live and for amplifying our reach and our impact. Thank you so very much for partnering with us. At Kesben TV, we say, Obia Bedidi. Everyone would have a share. Remember, the JSMQ program is tailor-made for learners in junior high schools to enable them to exhibit understanding of the basic principles that underline the life sciences and the physical sciences. It is expected to promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages of their academic lives. Welcome, my contestants. Welcome, audience therein, and welcome to our online audience. I would want to introduce the contestants. So TAMALE International School is represented by put your microphone on.
Alando Christabel, Basic 9.
Christabel, and your mic was off, so I didn't hear your name.
Asla, Dabre Asla.
Dabri Asnam, you're very welcome to this morning's competition. HATTOUB Islamic JHS is represented by
Ninimia El Nathan.
welcome, El Nathan.
Nuruddin Nismatu.
Nuruddin Nismatu. Which one is your first name? Is it Nismatu?
Yes.
All right, I think I like that one. You're welcome to this morning's competition. Good Shepherd Schools Complex is also represented by
Isa Iman Yumza.
Isa Imani Yumza. And?
Sumbo Caleb.
Okay, so Caleb. Caleb, and what's your first name, my dear? Isa Imani Yumza. Which one is the first name? Yumza. Okay, so Caleb and Yumza, you're welcome to join me in this morning's contest. Please give them a round of applause. All right. So my name is Lorraine Salah, a biomedical educator and a physiologist at the Department of Physiology in the School of Medical Sciences, KNUST. Hopefully, we'll be seeing a lot more of you in this our prestigious institution, the best around the world. All right, so before we start this contest, some general rules. All right, so we would want to hear the sound from the buzzer for TAMALE International School. Thank you very much. HATTOUB Islamic JHS. Thank you. Good Shepherd Schools Complex. Nice one. So for your main question, you don't need to press the buzzer. If a school is answering its main question, the two other schools should please wait for them to exhaust their 2 attempts or until their time is up before they press their buzzers. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. We have round 1, which is our fundamentals, round 2, which is the fastest brain and the fastest finger. Round 3 is our science and technology challenge. Round 4 is decoding the clues. My contestants, I'll be reading the instructions at the beginning of every round. Are we ready for our contest? El Nathan, Nismatu, are you ready?
Yes.
Great. Dabri and Christabel, are you ready?
Yes, please.
That's nice. Caleb, are you also ready?
Yes.
That's great. My sweet girl, are you ready?
Yes.
All right. I'm also very ready, and it is my aim to enjoy this contest and enjoy my time with you. Relax, take your seats, and let's start our contest. I would want to admonish you, kindly do not touch your microphone, the tip of the microphone especially, when you are talking. If you want to communicate amongst yourselves, you can just switch off the microphone instead of changing the position each time, okay? And then when you are ready to speak, you switch on the microphone so that I can hear you clearly and so that you also be very audible. Is that clear? All right. So our fundamental round, which is our round 1. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. The score of a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 40 seconds to answer questions that would require some calculation. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the other 2 schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question would actually nullify your answer, even if it is right, and no points will be scored. Best wishes to all 3 schools. A preamble to all schools. State 2 effects of the following in agriculture. TAMALE International School. Rainfall.
One, when rain falls and when they apply fertilizer, the rain can wash the fertilizers away from the plant.
Continue.
And the second one is that when it rains very heavily, it can destroy some of the seedlings.
Okay, that is right. Rain can wash away the soil nutrients and also the seedlings themselves. All right, so I'll give you your 3 points for that. Okay. HATTOUB Islamic JHS. Temperature. Temperature.
When the temperature is high, it can destroy the crops.
Okay, all right. You're supposed to give 2 effects. 2 effects. So I would not actually react to your answer. I would not react to your answer. All right? Okay. Okay. So on second thoughts, I'll give you half the mark. So you have 1.5 instead of 3. All right? So that is correct. You have half the mark. Good Shepherd Schools Complex. The wind. The wind.
It helps in dispersal of seeds and it helps in pollination.
That is correct for 3 points. Well done. Question 2 carries 15 seconds. The preamble reads, state the functions of the following HTML tags. That is an alphabet or word enclosed in less than and greater than symbols. An alphabet or word enclosed in less than and greater than symbols. HATTOUB Islamic JHS. A.
Is this? Get around.
A bonus it is. Good Shepherd.
Average.
Incorrect. Time up. Good Shepherd Schools Complex. IMG.
Is that it?
Sorry. Image.
Incorrect. A bonus. Tamale International School.
To insert an image into the code.
That is right. To insert or embed images. So you have a bonus point. Tamale International School. P.
To create a paragraph in a document.
I will give you that. It defines paragraphs. Question 3 also takes 15 seconds, and the preamble reads, provide the appropriate apparatus for carrying out the following processes in the laboratory. Good Shepherd Schools Complex. A container used for heating substances to very high temperatures.
Evaporation disk.
Incorrect.
Bunsen burner.
Incorrect. You have your 2 attempts, so a bonus. Tamale International School.
Round bottom flask.
Incorrect. Time up is the crucible. Crucible. Tamale International School. Storing moisture-sensitive substances.
A pipette. A pipette.
Incorrect. A bonus? It's a desiccator, a desiccator. HATTOUB Islamic JHS. Transferring small amounts of liquids accurately.
A test tube.
Incorrect.
Beaker.
That is also incorrect. A bonus. Good Shepherd.
Pipette.
Yes, scale up, it's a pipette. You get your bonus point. Question 4 involves some calculations. So you have 40 seconds to answer question 4. A QUA has 2 bins. One with a capacity of 80 kg and the other with a capacity of 120 kg. The smaller bin is filled to 1/8 of its capacity with wheat, and the larger bin is filled to 1/6 of its capacity with rice. She then fills the rest of each bin with corn and pours both into a large container. Tamale International School. What is the total weight of wheat and rice combined in both bins before transferring them to the large container?
Try. 30 kilograms.
30 kilograms is correct. HATTOUB Islamic JHS. After filling the rest of each bin with corn and transferring all the contents to the large container, what is the total weight of corn in the large container?
kilograms.
Come again?
16 kilograms.
Incorrect. Time up. Good Shepherd, you have been disqualified from taking it as a bonus. So TAMALE International School.
20 kilograms.
That is incorrect. It is 170 kg. Good Shepherd Schools Complex. If AMA decides to distribute the grains equally among 5 needy families, how much weight of grains will each family receive?
$74 kg.
Incorrect.
$40 kg.
40 kg on a second attempt. You've gotten it correct. Why did you ring your bell? Why did you sound your buzzer? It was a mistake. Good Shepherd, relax. Okay? Relax. Stay calm. Okay? Well done. Give them a round of applause. They are eager to win this competition. You have 15 seconds to answer question 5. TAMALE International School. Where do long period comets originate from?
It's like the asteroid, the Jupiter belt. The Jupiter belt. The Jupiter belt.
Incorrect. A bonus. Good Shepherd.
The asteroid belt.
Nah, Good Shepherd is incorrect. Time up. It's the Oort cloud. HATTOUB Islamic JHS. Most comets come from how many main sources?
Three.
Incorrect. No.
2.
2 is correct. So you have your 4 points on the second attempt. Please speak confidently. When you get it wrong, you learn the right one. It's a process of learning. Good Shepherd Schools Complex. Where do short period comets originate from?
The asteroid belt.
Incorrect. A bonus it goes out for TAMALE International.
The Jupiter belt.
Say that again.
The Jupiter belt.
Jupiter belt.
Jupiter.
I'm sorry, I can't give you this one. It's the Cooper belt, not the Cooper belt. You know, a single letter changes the name of an item or a substance. Okay, Tamale, sorry. Okay, all right, it's the Cooper belt. Question 6, the preamble reads, the following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. And true or false questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. Good Shepherd Schools Complex. Airplane mode, when activated, will not charge your device faster.
False.
It's correct. It won't charge your device. It said will not. Okay? Will not. Tamale International School. Activating airplane mode deletes your saved Wi-Fi networks.
False.
Correct for your points. It is false. HATTOUB Islamic JHS. Bluetooth devices like the mouse and the keyboard can be used while the computer is in airplane mode.
True.
I didn't hear you.
True.
Yes, true. You're correct. El Nathan, both of you should speak with confidence, all right? And that is why you are part of the JSMQ, to make sure that you speak with confidence and with your head high, even if you are getting it wrong, so that you learn the right thing. Okay? El Nathan, are you with me? All right, relax. El Nathan, what's the meaning of your name? You know the meaning of your name?
It's God is with us.
God is with us. That's a beautiful name. Okay? All right. So we continue with the first round of the fundamentals. Tamale International School. The ossicles are 3 off small bones in the middle ear that amplify sound waves.
True.
That is true. They do amplify sound waves. HATTOUB Islamic JHS. The cochlea is a spiral-shaped, fluid-filled inner ear structure that is essential for hearing.
True.
That is true. Well done. Good Shepherd Schools Complex. The outer part of the ear that collects sound waves is not the pinna.
False.
Yes, that is false. It's the pinna that collects the sound waves. So you also got it correct. All too soon, we've come to the end of round 1. And I would want to acknowledge our sponsors as we wait for our results. KNUST E-Learning Center, IDL KNUST, KNUST UITS, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, GSA, Dex Technologies, GNPC, SteadyX, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, and our media partners, Kesben TV. Thank you so very much for coming on board and supporting us in various ways, in various capacities. We are so very much grateful. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. So to our scores, at the end of round 1, Tamale International School, you have 17 points. Give them a round of applause. I can see you. You are not clapping. Give them a round of applause. HATTOUB Islamic JHS, 10.5. Give them a round of applause. 10.5. Good Shepherd Schools Complex, you have 13 points. 13 points. Well done. Congratulations to all 3 schools. This is a very good start. Audience therein, support your schools. Smile. Okay? And give them a round of applause, whether they get the question wrong or the question right. So we move to round 2, which is the fastest finger. One question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from that question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestants would have 3 seconds to answer. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. However, a wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to you all in this round. What is the full meaning of DIMMS in ICT? That is the dual inline memory module. What is the most abundant inorganic compound on Earth? We say water is life. Water represents life, and water is your answer. What is the most reactive non-metal in the periodic table? HATTOUB?
Potassium.
Incorrect. TAMALE International.
Fluorine.
Fluorine is the answer. You have 1 attempt. Okay? All right. The structure in the eye that produces tears, which help maintain the moisture of the anterior surface of the eye, is called? Good Shepherd?
Aqueous humor.
No? It's the lacrimal gland. The lacrimal gland. What is the absolute sum of the numbers 25 minus 29 minus 22 and 23? Good Shepherd?
3.
Incorrect.
I didn't.
Tamale International School?
-1.
Incorrect. It is 99. 99. Which key is used to deactivate scrolling on a computer? Good Shepherd.
Numlock.
Come again?
Numlock.
Incorrect. Tamale International?
Escape key.
Incorrect. All right, that is the scroll lock. The scroll lock. In physics, how is intensity defined? That is power per unit area. A map is drawn to the scale 1:500,000. A student measured the distance between two towns on the map as 36 mm. What is the actual distance between the towns?
$180 kilometers.
180 kilometers, you said? Just a moment. $180 kilometers is incorrect. So it's still open. Tamale International.
180 meters.
Say it again.
180 meters.
That is incorrect. It's 18 kilometers or 18 million millimeters or 18,000 meters. We've come to the end of round 2. Congratulations to you all. It's been a lovely round. I'll take this opportunity to once again acknowledge our sponsors: KNUST E-Learning Center, IDL KNUST, KNUST UITS, Dext Technology, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, GSA, Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, SteadyX, Pizza Man Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, and Kesben TV are media partners. Thank you so very much for being a part of the JSMQ 2024. At the end of round 2, Tamale International School, you have 1 point. 1 point. Giving you a total of 18 points after the first 2 rounds. HATTOUB Islamic JHS, you have -1. -1. Giving you a total after the first 2 rounds of 9.5. Good Shepherd Schools Complex. At the end of round 2, you have -4. -4. After the 2 rounds, you have a total of 9. 9 points. Give them a round of applause, a loud one, so that all of us here can also witness that. Are we ready to continue? Ready or not?
Ready.
Ready. I had only one person answering. Ready or not? Ready. All right. I always love the Science and Technology Challenge because that is where you express your theory into practical. All right. One question will be... Okay, before I read the preamble, we have a substitution. Welcome back from the short break. Our audience online, you are also welcome. And our audience varying. Supporting students, you are so very much welcome back from the short commercial break. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Remember, round 3 is powered by the DIXT Science set. The preamble reads, you have been provided with a lead labeled L, a switch K, a light-dependent resistor LDR, a capacitor C, and 2 batteries B1 and B2. Your task is 1. To construct a simple electrical circuit as shown below. Close the switch for about 2 minutes and write down your observations. Open the switch and carefully observe what happens. Quickly cover the LDR with your finger and observe what happens. Be careful, do not disconnect your circuits when you are done. Related task questions. Write down your observations in tasks 2, 3, and 4. Explain your observation in tasks 3 and 4 above. Make sure you have all that is listed in front of you. So good luck. Have a nice time connecting whilst I observe. Your round 3 starts now.
I wanted to switch up your microphone if you want to make your call.
Yeah, am I okay? Contestants, you have 1 more minute. You should be rounding up by now. I'm so excited to see what you've done. Your time is up. We hand over our tasks, answered tasks. Did you enjoy this round? Were you able to connect your circuits properly? El Nathan, I don't see you smiling. El Nathan, what do you like to do? What do you like to do in your spare time?
I like to read.
You like reading? That's nice. Miss Matu, how about you?
I like to read novel books.
You like to read novels? That's great. It's good to read. How about your favorite food?
Rice.
Hey, rice. Okay. All right. My good shepherd. Good shepherd. Gabri, what do you like to do? That's Tamale.
I like learning.
Hey, you like learning?
Yes.
You don't do anything for fun?
Yes.
Go and learn how to swim. Okay, so when you study, then you go and swim and relax all your brain and every part of your body. Okay? All right?
Okay, madam.
All right. Christabel, and you?
I like reading fictional novels.
Fictional novels. Hey, you people are using big English for me. That's great. I'm impressed. Eh? All right. So when I meet you, you come and tell me one of the books that you have read. Good Shepherd. Are you in the house?
I like playing football.
Caleb likes playing football. Do you have the football legs? They say that those who like playing football have certain, their legs are of a certain structure. Do you have the football legs? All right. Yamza, how about you?
I like watching television.
You like watching TV? What exactly? Do you have a favorite program that you like to watch? Do you?
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious. Should I tell you a secret? In my home, we all watch Fast and Furious. I like how fast everybody is and how fast the cars are. Do you love cars? Yamza, do you love cars?
Yes.
All right. That's great. At least I share some interests with some of you. All right. As a scientist, I'm always reading. So reading is nothing new. All right? Okay. So we'll come back shortly with our results for our round 3.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical. What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical. What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical. What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education.
The Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology is a beacon of academic excellence in Ghana. In an era where education transcends traditional boundaries, KNUST is at the forefront championing the cause of e-learning. This is the story of how we have embraced technology to foster excellence in education across diverse disciplines. The year 2020 brought unprecedented challenges with the COVID-19 pandemic. As campuses worldwide shut down, the need for a robust e-learning system became imperative. KNUST was no exception.
One day we were in class, and all of a sudden,
everything went online. It was very overwhelming at first.
Adapting to the new normal, KNUST swiftly transitioned to online learning. Virtual classrooms, digital assignments, and online assessments became the new standard.
Our priority was to ensure that learning did not stop. So we took advantage of the situation to train our faculty, equip our students with the technological skills, and then bridge the gap to ensure that learning online comes in to support the gap that was created.
Recognizing the need for a dedicated facility to support e-learning, the Office of the Vice-Chancellor established the KNUST E-Learning Center. This center became the heartbeat of our digital education initiatives.
So the e-learning center was a strategic move by management to centralize our e-learning efforts. It became a hub for training, for innovation, and for equipping our learners and faculty with the skills required in the times.
The KNUST E-Learning Center is a hub of innovation and leadership within Ghana's esteemed Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Guided by our core values of excellence, innovation, and integrity, we leverage cutting-edge technologies and pedagogical strategies to foster teaching and learning and knowledge creation. The KNUST E-Learning Center offers a comprehensive suite of services tailored to meet the evolving needs of stakeholders. These include online teaching and learning, video conferencing, proctor services, webinar series, and podcast. To ensure seamless service delivery, the center operates through various departments. The instructional design team integrates technology into learning design. The systems support team maintains IT systems, and the service support team offers call center and help desk services, among others. The center also operates through specialized subunits, including the Design and Publicity Unit, Training and Research, Full Online Programs Unit, Proctor and Assessment Unit, and the Immersive Learning and Pedagogy Unit, leveraging VI technologies. The center firmly believes in the power of robust digital literacy skills. We organize diverse capacity building activities for faculty members and students, ensuring continuous improvement in digital literacy.
As the Training and Research Unit at the KNUST E-Learning Center, our training sessions are designed to equip participants with the skills they need to thrive in a digital learning environment.
With the help of e-learning, we are able to submit online assignments wherever we are, and we are also able to access course materials online. I thank KNUST for bringing this initiative to Obuasi campus. With this, we are able to have the same experience as those on main campus.
For me, the advent of e-learning is a blessing in disguise. At the initial stages when the talk of e-learning began, I was among those who were very skeptical because I don't like computers. But the structure that the university put in place and the kind of training that was provided has made life so easy. It is so easy now for me to schedule a class online. It's so easy for me to take the class. It's easy for me to connect my electronic board, and I'm able to work equations. I'm able to write for them to see as though we were in the classroom.
The center offers a platform for regular live podcast e-counseling sessions covering a wide range of topics from mental health to overall well-being. These sessions are targeted at students in the broader university community. The Full Online Programs Office manages 3 fully online programs in collaboration with the Department of Teacher Education, KNUST. Additionally, the center offers a comprehensive catalogue of online and blended short courses tailored for the university community and the general public.
We believe in bringing courses, short courses to be specific, to the doorsteps of learners and prospective applicants. And so far, in collaboration with the Center for Capacity Building and Innovations, the e-learning center has rolled up several fully online short courses. Some serving the health community, such as the responsible pet ownership, the occupational health and safety, some in the areas of language, like English language proficiency certificate short course, even some in sign language and Chinese as well. We have also rolled up short courses in monitoring and evaluation, public relations, and so many others are still in the pipeline, serving the wider community. We invite you all to take advantage of the short certificate courses and obtain the KNUST brand.
Since 2022, the KNUST e-learning center has celebrated e-learning awareness week annually, promoting e-learning within the university community. The center also organizes the e-learning international conference, a premier event in digital education, showcasing KNUST's dedication to shaping the future of digital education. Over the years, the center has established mutually beneficial partnerships with a variety of esteemed organizations, enhancing our capabilities and outreach in the field of education.
In this particular maiden edition of the Ghana e-learning conference, I think we've done excellently, and everybody who has participated in this conference would say that this has been an excellent participation. So I'm delighted that we had opportunities and we seized the opportunities, and then we gave an excellent account of ourselves.
The center is involved in several impact projects such as the MasterCard e-learning initiative, the Partnership for Enhanced and Blended Learning (PBL), and the e-learning Happy Training Program. These initiatives aim to enhance the delivery of high-quality, inclusive online instruction and support students' virtual learning experiences. The center features a variety of specialized spaces to enhance e-learning and support educational initiatives. These include instructional design centers, computer labs, photo studios, podcast studios, VR studios, and recording studios, among others.
I love this smile to innovative learning, and that is what, as a university, and for that matter, the leading science and technology university in this country, we will keep smiling and pushing the frontiers and ensuring that we are never left behind. Rather, we will always be the pace setters. Thank you. Thank you.
The journey of e-learning at the KNUST is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Through innovation, resilience, and collaboration, we have transformed challenges into opportunities. As we continue to forge ahead, we remain dedicated to fostering an environment where every student can thrive. This is just the beginning of our journey towards a brighter, more inclusive future in education. KNUST e-learning center. Just a click.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical. What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and
You're very welcome back to the JSMQ 2024, the Northern Region Regional Qualifiers. So we have assessed all the tasks that were given to the 3 schools to carry out, and Their submissions. Tamale International School. You had a total of 2 points. And the breakdown with task 1. You had 1 point. You connected the capacitor in series instead of parallel. And so from the beginning, there was a challenge. And then for task 2, you had no answer provided, so you had no points. Task 3, you had 1 point. And task 4, you had no answer also provided. And for question 2, you had a wrong explanation. And that's how come you got a total of 2 points for our science and technology challenge round. So for HATTOUB Islamic JHS, you had a total of 1 point out of 10. For task 1, you could not complete the circuits, so you lost all the marks there. Task 2, you had 1 point, and for task 3 and 4, you had either no answer provided for both task 3 and 4, and also for question 2, you had no answer provided. Good Shepherd, you had a total of 7 points out of 10. For task 1, you had 1 point. You connected the capacitor in series instead of parallel. For task 2, you stated that the LED was brighter instead of dim, so you had no points. Task 3, you made 1 point. Task 4, 1 point. And then for question 2, you actually made 4 points, giving you the total of 7 points at the end of round 3. Give them a round of applause before I tell you their total score. Great. So at the end of 3 rounds of competing against or with one another, Tamale International School, you had 20 points. 20 points. Give them a sounding round of applause. They have done well. HATTOUB Islamic JHS, you have 10.5 points. Well done, HATTOUB. A round of applause for HATTOUB Islamic JHS. Good Shepherd Schools Complex, you have a total of 16 points at the end of 3 rounds in this competition. You have done well. You have shown us that you can think on the spot, you can critically think, and you can also try to translate what you've learned in theory into practical. So I would say well done. As we move on to the 4th and the final round. So round 4 is the round of riddles. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, you have 6 points. If correctly answered on the second clue, you earn 5 points. On the third clue, you earn 4 points. On the fourth or any other indication, you have 3 points. And my contestants, you have just 1 attempt. So 1 attempt only. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering would disqualify you from that question. And your answer would be nullified even if it is correct. Can we start with our riddle round? Riddle 1. I am a digestive organ. I also perform non-digestive functions within the human body. I am known as the largest gland in the human body. Good Shepherd?
Pancreas.
I am a site for several metabolic reactions that generate. Tamale?
The liver.
The liver. That is correct on the 4th point. Before I go on to the next riddle, can we have a buzzer test? All right? Let's have a buzzer test. So Good Shepherd. Good Shepherd, your buzzer test. All right. Tamale International. Great. HATTOUB. Nice one. So we can continue with our riddle round, our round of riddles. I am a long chain polymer. I am produced by addition. My monomer is simple, but my properties grand. My repeating unit is C2H4. I am also used in plastics and fibers all day long. Who am I? Tamale.
Methane. Methane.
Incorrect. Time up. Polythene or polyethylene. I am a type of optical storage. I have a smaller storage capacity compared to a DVD. I am often used to store music and software. I am read by a laser. HATTOUB?
CD-ROM drive.
CD, a compact disc. That is correct on the fourth clue. Well done, HATTOUB. Our last and final riddle. I am a physical quantity. My concept is crucial in the field of fluid dynamics. Good Shepherd?
Density.
You will often find me in the study of gases and liquids. Tamale?
Pressure.
Pressure is correct. Pressure is correct. All right. Well done, Tamale. That is on the third clue. That was a very fast round. All too soon, we've come to the end of round 4 and the end of our contest. The first contest on the second day for the Northern Regional Qualifiers. To our online presence, thank you very much for spending time with us. We are truly grateful. Without you, our quizzes would not be complete. Congratulations to all competing schools and their wonderful trainers and teachers who have come this far with them. Ayiko. We cannot leave our sponsors out. Let us appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors before the final read of the results, for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. To our JSMQ 2024 sponsors, we are truly and deeply grateful to you. We would say, Unyame Inshira Mopa. KNUST e-Learning Center for all our media and video coverages. We are truly grateful. At KNUST e-Learning, we say just a click. Institute of Distance Learning KNUST. Thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. Your venues provided are well appreciated. At KNUST Ideal, we say, long life learning, an essential key to development. KNUST University Information Technology Services, UITS. Thank you very much for providing us with the needed bandwidth for the quiz. Your high-speed internet is deeply appreciated. It has made our contest easy and fun to go along with. DEX Technologies. At DEX Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality, and you always make it very exciting and hands-on. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited. A heartfelt thank you for the juicy prizes for this year's competition. Your generous contributions have been a cornerstone of our success. Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, GNPC, impacting lives. The Ghana Standards Authority, thank you for your support in this year's competition. Your generous contribution is deeply appreciated. SteadyX, thank you for coming on board. Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we look forward to wonderful meal packages. At Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we say, great food lives here. We cannot also leave without acknowledging Fonjo Images. At Fonjo Images, we keep your memories alive. To our media partner, thank you for telecasting this program live and for amplifying our reach and impact. Thank you for partnering with us, Kesben TV. At Kesben TV, we say, Obia Bedidi. Everyone will have a share. Now, to the moment we are all waiting for, to our scores. At the end of the fourth round, our round of riddles, Tamale International School had 7 points. 7 points. Give them a round of applause. I'll leave the total for the last. HATTOUB Islamic JHS. For the fourth round, you made 3 points. 3 points. Good Shepherd Schools Complex. You had 0 points. Give them a very loud round of applause. I want to hear it loud and clear. Great. And I want to see smiling faces. Amazing. So all too soon, our contest has come to an end. Congratulations to all schools. But in every competition, one must come out tops. And so with a total, in no particular order, Tamale International School, you have a total of 27 points at the end of this contest. Give them a round of applause. HATTOUB Islamic JHS, you had 13.5. 13.5. Good Shepherd Schools Complex, you ended with 16 points. 16 points. My name is Lauren Salah, your quiz moderator for this contest, and I declare Tamale International School as the winners of this competition. Tamale International School, see you soon in another setting. Congratulations, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000-bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry, and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. # KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.